Welcome to our 5 on 5. I'm pleased to be joined today by Jackson County Chief Deputy District Attorney Jeremy Markiewicz. Jeremy, thanks for being here, man.
Thank you.
So you're here today because you were just appointed to the bench here at Jackson County Circuit Court by Governor Brown as being Jackson County's newest Circuit Court judge. I believe you're being sworn in next week, correct?
That is correct, yes.
Exciting times?
Exciting, quick moving, a
lot going on.
Yes, a lot going on with the old job, thinking about the new job, exciting for my family.
It's very exciting, of course, and obviously happening with the New Year's and everything like that. And I know how busy, obviously, the district attorney's office is, and in your leadership role in that. Tell us first, I guess, about your background and how you came here to Jackson County, because you've been here roughly 20 years.
So I grew up in the Portland area. I'm actually a first-generation college graduate. My parents met each other working at Taco Bell. My dad spent his entire life working at Taco Bell, and from just their hard work that they taught me that, their goal for my brother and I was to try to educate yourself and get yourself into a better position. And they really set that example through their work ethic and trying to open doors with schools and stuff for us. And I ended up at Willamette University, graduated from there. Actually took a job in downtown Portland working in a copy room and coffee room of a law firm to see if I wanted to do law work. And loved my experience there, and ended up going to University of Colorado Boulder for law school, and first job out of law school was here in Jackson County.
Okay, and so, as I mentioned in the introduction, now you're Chief Deputy DA for Jackson County. How many years have you been with the county?
Just over 17 years now.
Okay, and so I imagine in an office like that you handle a variety of cases. Is it specialized? How does that work for all those laymen who are watching right now?
Well, when I first started there, I spent a little over 4 years doing misdemeanor cases, which is predominantly DUIs. Your barroom fights, your disorderly people, maybe small minor thefts. I transitioned then for about 4 years also, so it went 4 years to 4 years into our complex financial caseload. Matter of fact, at KOBI Scam Jam, I made a presentation there. Those, and so I handled those for 3 to 4 years, and then when Beth Hecker was elected DA, she appointed me as her chief deputy in 2013, and since then, murders, homicides, robberies, major car crashes, fires, anything and everything that you can think of, I've handled since that point.
All the big stuff working obviously hand in hand with law enforcement. Very, very interesting. I know obviously 1,000 stories that we probably can't share on TV. So we're going to take a quick commercial break. We'll have much more with our soon-to-be judge here in just a moment. Stay with us. Welcome back to our 5 on 5. Again, we're here with Chief Deputy DA for Jackson County, Jeremy Markiewicz, being sworn in next week as Jackson County Circuit Court's newest judge. Again, Jeremy, congratulations, Your Honor. Soon enough, forgive me. So you applied to be nominated to this, or appointed to this position to Governor Brown. Tell me about the decision to apply, because as we talked about 18 years, roughly 17 years in Jackson County as a DA, it's a whole different ball of wax.
It was a tough decision because I feel a ton of loyalty to the district attorney's office and a ton of loyalty to Beth Hecker. And I felt like I was in a position in my career at this point that I was ready to move on to another challenge. And I think mostly I also felt like the district attorney's office and some of the hires we've made over the last 8 years especially are great attorneys. They really believe in justice and believe in making the right decisions for the right reasons. And it gave me confidence to go forward in this process, knowing that the office in itself is in great hands with me moving on. I'm really excited to take that same, theory that I've tried to teach these young attorneys that I've hired, that, you make the right decisions for the right reasons, and you make sure justice is done for everybody involved, whether it's the victims, whether it's the defendant themselves, the citizens of Jackson County. Justice to me, I can be in a position on the bench to actually continue with that drive that I've had, again, working with young attorneys and working in the district attorney's office.
Is that what excites you most about the position? And you mentioned that you discovered your love of law, and I believe in college. Was the judge, a judge position, was that something you dreamed about?
You know, I think when I started in the district attorney's office, I never thought about being a judge. And then as I progressed and I saw judges that have come and gone and judges that currently sit on the bench, I thought, you know, that's something that I could be good at. That's something that my passion for justice and my passion for, you know, everybody deserves a fair shot. Everybody deserves to be heard. And I think you have to have people that have that mentality to really have buy-in from the citizens that the court system, whether it's the civil courts or the criminal courts, are working for the people that they're supposed to work for.
Well, I know how exciting this is for you and your family. Congratulations. Look forward to seeing you getting sworn in next week. Stay with us. We'll be right back.